Social media is key for selling homes today, and here's why. It's because of its extended reach. Over 5 billion people today around the world use social media, and 266 new users have come online just this year. You see, social media, it helps you connect with buyers not only locally, but around the world, which can expand your property's visibility substantially. So you could also do targeted advertising. You can tailor your ads based on people's interest and location, and this is to ensure that your marketing is reaching the exact audience you want. Social media, it also promotes engagement. You could interact directly with potential buyers or sellers. Also, social media will help speed up the process. You can quickly put your property in front of thousands and thousands of potential buyers, which will now accelerate the selling process. So remember, just having a really strong social media presence is very, very important in getting your house noticed. So if you're curious on how I can boost your property's visibility, give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529 or email me at jay@jaycannone.com. Let's get your property on social media, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.